Hello, 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 hello. Good evening, everyone. Yes. We are around 55 minutes late rather than, our intended time. Sino yung mga nandito? Carl? Yes. Are you still here, Carl? What else? Easter? Yes, welcome, welcome, welcome. Cornflakes is also here. Um, Nami-chan, yes, inintay kita. Okay. We also have Yon, welcome. Lucky, no, you're not late, you're very early. Sige. You, welcome, hi, hi. Yes, you also have Kivel. Hi. Okay, Jack also. Kala nila, ano, late sila. No, guys, okay? So, yes, Jack, hello, hello, hello. Yeah, so we'll have a start, okay? And today is really important. Wednesday tayo ngayon. So FOMC. That's why I have to do the live today. So who else are in here? Let me know in the comments. Say okay. Mm. All right. How's your Bitcoin trade, everyone? Did you guys try to trade today? If it's FOMCE in a couple of, what time is it now? 6, 7, 8. Oh, just in a couple of minutes now, guys. Like around 45 minutes, we will have some reaction, big reaction in the market. So I was thinking, since we had the BNB trade, diba? Yan. Rinat ko siya kanina, but then, due to upcoming news, I'm still observing it. So I might, close it before the FOMC itself happens. We'll see. Sige. So that's what we're gonna be discussing today, how I manage my trade during FOMCE. So hopefully that will help everyone or anyone in here. Because higher time frame by the daily, guys, if you guys can see, by the daily, the BNB is a point wherein like it's a really good buy for us. Yeah, can you see that? So we'll assess it again. Sige. Okay, so going back to the Bitcoin right here, let's open our monthly chart. Yeah. So monthly chart, still we have these levels. That being said, that the 31, the red zone that you guys are seeing in here is the a possible rejection zone or a heavy rejection a zone right here, and it already has shown around this area. So in the future, there's a high chance that we're gonna be um possibly rejecting around this area as well. Sige. So weekly, oh sorry, bye bye, that was a monthly chart. Right? So weekly right now, eto. Yan. Monthly chart, but yeah, but the red zone was a weekly zone, guys, ha? Okay, it was a weekly zone. Oh, sana yun dito? I cannot see. Yan. Try natin to. Okay. Let's try to find some trades today, guys. But at the same time, I'll show you coins, Let's observe coins, especially that it's FOMCE. Um, Okay, so weekly zone around this area, guys, is a strong support again. And at the same time, we are, almost 4 days. Like I mentioned before the week started, that I'm expecting good movement, meaning like, to the upside movement type of thing with the Bitcoin right around here. So the weekly, I'm expecting it to close above the green line. So now, when we open the daily, then you guys will have a fully understanding that, yan, that, we're expecting again the B zone right around that area, the B leg for Bitcoin. And still we are at the point of, you know, the resistance type of thing. Yeah, can you guys see? Every time we try to break the green resistance line zone right around here, but at the same time we always get rejected. But nonetheless, there's nothing such as, oh, it's losing some momentum or anything like that. So in a sense that it's gonna push the price of Bitcoin all the way to the downside, wala. Sige. So you can expect Bitcoin to have a small retest by the 26,700, yung mga ganito. Yan. Before we continue moving to the upside. Okay, so those are the levels, guys, still where we plotted our zone yesterday. Andito pa din yan. Sige, andito pa din yan. Okay. But yeah, so given that the FOMC is there, okay, let's digest this thing. Okay? Sir August, wala sa TikTok. No, there is currently in the TikTok. Yeah. I guess it just came in. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, thank you. Yung mga nasa TikTok, welcome, welcome guys. Ayan. Okay. So, Zerk, yes, ano po yun? Wala, Zerk. Just welcoming you. Okay. So, um, yeah, so listen up. Bitcoin with the FOMC right now. Since on the higher time frame, we're seeing that there's a possible break, diba? To the upside yan. That's no doubt it will happen. Uh, it's like I'm speaking in here, like 100% it will happen. But by the data that all of the, that I have gathered from the MACD, RSI, price action itself, the reaction, candlesticks closing, higher time frame, no doubt is gonna go up. However, on the lower time frame, like I have mentioned, there is a chance that it's gonna visit the yellow zone again. There you go, yellow zone again. I guess it's gonna be triggered by the FOMCE. Before then, we have our real move pataas. So again, you can expect movements like this with the FOMCE, and then have a real move pataas. So if you don't have any trade right now, just wait, okay, for the FOMC to cool down, and then you know, plan your entry, execute your entry right at the proper right levels. So 15 minutes. Let's check the 15 minutes. Thank you, Zerk, for liking the live. Thank you so much. Thank you, Aifak. Yes. All right. So 1 hour. Mhm. Okay, let's check out Matic. All right. So Matic, guys, we had our buy zone right around here. Um, yeah, yesterday, Tuesday, around 11, right around here, 27, yeah. So Matic is almost by the resistance zone that we were waiting for. So we might get some reaction, around this area, around this area. And I will be interested on, possibly shorting that right there. Yaka muna, thank you for the heart. Thank you so much. Yan. Yung mga nasa TikTok live, nagsisend ng heart no. Especially sa Yaka muna. So, consistent yan, guys. Okay, so let's check. Hello, Ion. Hello, hello, hello. Yes. Okay. Rejection. It's informatic. Nothing yet to take from here. Okay? But it's in our high priority yung matic. Okay, XRP. Okay. So, meron tayong dalawang kay XRP, dalawang trade na setup, which is this one. The first one is this, and then the second one if this scenario happens. So apparently, the thing that has happened is the first scenario that we plotted or that we did. So with that said, the breakout has happened, okay, and then the retest is now here. So Miss, is it a go zone for me to enter? Yes, possibly. It's a good entry na. This is a 10 minutes. Let's check the 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour, there was a really strong, okay, I'll show you guys there. It's a really strong bounce for the 1 hour. 4 hours. Okay, daily, 4 hours. 165. Okay. 1 hour. Sige. Yan. So, lower time frame, guys. Okay. Another push to the upside for the XRP right here. Okay. Possibly right around that area. So, what I can advise you to trade with the XRP, guys, ano lang short term type of trade. Let's not hold the long term yet. Okay, because the monthly has not yet closed and I was waiting for the lower time frame type of scenario, yung lower time frame. So far this is what we gather, like this. So any retest, guys, okay, long position. BNB, let's check the BNB. So BNB, we are having sudden drops with BNB since this area, and gradually have that what's the word for that, lower high to the upside. But the thing is, the problem, what I'm seeing right now is the lower high medyo struggle siya, guys. Every time the BNB go to the upside, it struggles, kumbaga. But when we drop, it's so easy to drop. So I'm just waiting for it to hit around near our entry zone, around there. I might take it out. Okay, depends with how we push now. Given that on the 15 minutes, I'll show you guys, okay? Right here, we are possibly forming a yan, descending triangle pattern, possibly. That's why I'm gonna wait for the leg of this one if how is it gonna be, you know, how is it gonna be, how's the volume, how's everything, how's confluences. That's what I want to see. So if if the movement is slow, okay, then I have to take it out because the chances of rejection is high during this time. Okay, so can you see, guys, multiple candles of to the upside, and then like small candles to the downside. Similarly right here, yung drop, guys, malaki yan yung drop sa BNB. So that's what I'm currently considering. This is like almost like 2 days now that we are holding, right? The BNB. So let's wait for that. Okay, so dot trade, let's check how's the dot trade going. So this dot, and then link, I've been sharing this one with everyone. Okay, we got the entry right around now, and due to the the slow movement with the Bitcoin and all of that, it's affecting the lower time frame, or the not just lower time frame but the alts itself. They're getting affected heavily. Sige. So those are the charts or the coins that we checked last time. So this time, guys, I would like to see some more coins, okay, that we can possibly trade. So let me see if we have any questions in the chat in YouTube. Tayo nakagawara. Ethereum po. Sige. Okay, for those who are just in TikTok right now, guys, if you want to see the full screen of this, and at the same time you want to have the what's the word for that? The full on lesson, kumbaga, for for trading. Yan. Miss, gusto kong matutong mag-trade. Yan, free lang yan, guys, in my YouTube. So, you know, this right here, Mayari Capital, just type it in. Okay, so where are we right now? So ganito yung boses ng ng teacher mo, Woblove, when kaka-wake up niya pa lang ba. So Unify, asan na to? Okay, so Unify, very good. This is what I was waiting for. Yung niya, yung... Can you guys see that? Okay, we traded it, we dropped. Now, it's giving us new opportunity to possibly trade. That's why, I have the Unify stuck in this section. So, let's give it what's the word for that? New analysis. Okay, so guys, heads up with Unify. There's a big big movement coming up soon. We are almost by the apex of our this whole thing. So soon enough there will be a breakout. So let's analyze possibly where's the breakout for this Unify, guys. For those again who are in TikTok, okay, you can watch the full screen of this in my YouTube. Yan po. Andyan. Yan. Sige. So, thank you, Audrey, for sending stickers. Thank you so much. Yan. Yaka muna, Audrey. Thank you so much. Guys, again here's the para di kayo mawala dyan sa YouTube. I mean, sa may TikTok, kakahanap sa YouTube. Ito po. Ganito po yung itsura, ha? And this is the current live, September 20. Okay. Okay, Unify, really good type of trade. So with that said, I would like to open the higher time frame right here. So you can see some charts. 2 weeks. Strand is there. Weekly. Okay. 3 days. Let me see. All right. So we're coming from a really parabolic move right now, and correction is there. Yes. So I would like to plot this really old na ano, demand zone. Okay, and currently we're sitting at that. So it's gonna be pretty fun then how this Unify is gonna react. Interesting. Okay, so oversold, there's no weakness yet, so I don't think this is gonna, yeah, no weakness yet. So, alam nyo guys, bakit ako na late? Yeah. May nakain ako dito, where I am right now, in the country. I don't know why, but grabe yung antok ko after kumain of that certain food. And that's why I literally just, late ako ng gising, which is not good. So, still, my mind is still half asleep, to be honest. Half asleep pa po yung brain ko currently. Anyway, so, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not yet the it is not yet the fifth of the Unify. This one is the one, the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, 4, and then I'm expecting another leg up. Why? The higher time frame is not showing any weaknesses. Okay? Not showing any weaknesses. Hence why I'm expecting for more move for Unify. Saan makikita ang calculator? Calculator is given out in my YouTube lang guys, okay, for my subscribers. So if you're interested with that, add on. It's free, okay, in my YouTube if you're a subscriber. Alright? So, 5, yeah, so this is what currently I'm waiting for. And with that said, I'm gonna be preparing for a long position. I'm telling everyone right now, I'm gonna be preparing for a long position with UNFI and with the target of the previous high. Yan. Currently, medyo mataas yung risk natin. Don't worry. We'll see that on the lower time frame. So the 12 hours, right around here. Okay. So we're getting supported by this demand zone right around this level. Can you guys see the different shade of the zone? Yung green. Yeah. That's another level, guys. And okay, right here. Okay, so 12 hours compared to the previous push down. At least, it's positive for us. And then, yeah, very good bullish support with the RSI. So there's no divergence, so nothing to worry. I like to look out for right here. Good night ka muna. Drink lots of water, okay? So, you'll get better soon. But hopefully tomorrow is not gonna be there. Okay, good night. Rest well ya ka muna. Okay, so daily wala pa pong wala pang weakness with the UNFI. So that's a good sign. So now we can head on the lower time frame and possibly watch out for a move. All right? And can you guys see how the UNFI is doing? Ito guys, I'll show you. Since the past, yan, 3-day yan ha. 3-day chart guys. I mean 3-day movement. For the past 3 days, there's no movement with the UNFI. So with that said, okay, it's a big accumulation happening and expecting a big move to the upside. Okay, so 1 hour, let's open up with the 1 hour right here. And I would like to okay, there we go. It looks good. Okay, so we opened the UNFI at the right time. Yeah. Um, Cavill, sleeping giant, going to take a trade. Preparing for a trade, Cavill. Okay. So, guys, Unify, listen up. Okay. Trade setup though for everyone. I'll also post this in our Discord, so you can review it again later. All right. 7.7 to 7.7, 7.78. No, no, 7.8, guys. All the way to the low of 7.46. And then I'm not gonna be risking all the way till here. That was the weekly, time frame. But I would like to assess this one. Okay, move natin muna yan dyan. Because you guys have to understand, the Unify second leg, ano siya, mabilisan. Didn't took time to, to have that break. So from this point, there was a high. Took like 4 days, almost a week. Okay, or 5 days, around there, before it broke out. And eto, medyo maano na. This is what we call the rule of alternation. And with that said, I'm expecting the 0.01 tsaka yung 2 dito would be sitting around the 0.618, or yeah, around that area for the our second leg. Oops, my bad. Just give me a moment, guys. Something happened. Parang ako, guys, tawag doon, I feel like ako masusuka. It's not, I feel that good. Okay. All right. There you go. Okay, going back again with the Unify. For those who are asking about the calculator, yeah, that is how it looks like, huh? Right there. Okay? So, let's discuss that later. All right, so again with the Unify, 1, A, B, and possibly moving C right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I would like to check yung Fibonacci right here for the Unify. How is it moving? Okay. This one does not make sense, so I'm gonna replot that. Interesting. Okay. Okay. So let me take this one and make this as our buy zone marker, and wherever the zone is right now, yan, this whole area, guys, it's a good buy position for everyone. Doesn't matter where you'll enter from here. It's a good buy zone. Okay, so now let's open the 15 minutes chart. Okay. For those who are in YouTube, guys, okay, clear yung data right here. Let me try to plot it. Right here. Lagay natin. So, entry, 7.19 all the way to 7.275. Okay, stop loss is sitting around 6.250. Currently yung profit level natin Okay, max TP 8.2. Hanap na lang tayo ng ano, ng midline natin dyan mamaya-maya. Okay? So that's it. That's for the setup with the Unify. Saan na yun? September. Guys, I will add this up sa Discord natin, ha? Okay? Welcome to our, mga nasa TikTok dyan. Hello, hello. Okay. So now let's take out our calculator. Yeah. So we can calculate na. What's happening with the BNB? Just got an alert. Interesting. Okay, not yet. Okay, let's open our calculator. Yan. So it's a big it's a big risk with a Unify given that it's a pretty, what's the word for that? Volatile type of coin. So okay. 9 point, ano yung risk natin? 9 point something. Ayun ako. And then 40.16, laki ng ano. Ayan. Anyway, so it doesn't, change anything. 4.16. So currently we have an account of Nyo. If you wanna see yung yung entry stop loss, just head on sa sa my YouTube para kita mo lahat yung view. Can you guys see? Kita mo lahat yung view niyan dyan. Right? I need kailangan ko guys ng air. Like, pangit ng gising ko ngayon. I think sa yun, sa pagkain. Pangit ng gising ko guys. Pero, hindi maganda yung chan ko kumbaga. Anyways, okay, because I'm thinking to close the BNB at this position alone. Heavy weaknesses on the lower time frame. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's try to open our Binance account. It's asking me to log in again. Anyways, I'll do that later na lang then. Yeah, so let's do this calculation muna so you guys can, can execute it or possibly have a trade on it. Bob Harley, madam, nagbibigay ka ba ng free trade ng signal? This is currently a free trade signal, Bob Harley, okay? So just head on the YouTube if you want to see the full, full data. So 40 and then 90. So I'm expecting 5x. Account balance is around 20. Risk natin, I'm willing to risk like around 5. Yeah, 5%, which is around $1 for this trade. So if you guys can see right now, the bottom part, can I zoom in? Yeah. So at the bottom part yan guys ha, ito. Right there. So this is our account calculator. Margin required is really low. Ano lang, $2. And then leverage of 5. So with that said, you can play around with your leverage and everything. So leverage, risk is still 5. Okay. Leverage can be played with the 3x only. So with that said, yung 3x na natin, it requires us to at least have $3. Okay guys, take out your calculators. For those who have calculators now, take it out and then plot in your own account So for example, if you have like, you're playing with $100, you want to risk 5% and yan 5% guys. And yeah, projected profit is also calculated, and then your possible margin size. Clear, everyone? Kung ano lang yung nalagay dyan sa level tsaka margin nyo, please follow it, and at the same time, follow your trading plan. So when it hits the stop loss, okay? If you guys are, what's the word for that? Wondering, or like, yeah, na, walang breather yung, yung stop loss, baka mahit lang. Don't worry, guys. I did the space also for possible manipulation. So, calculated na lahat yan dyan. Okay? Alright, so, right here. Okay. Let's see some questions here. Romardes Juarez, how to access the calculator po? Yeah, so calculator is given out again in my YouTube for my subscribers, guys. Okay, for my subscribers and in YouTube. So we have four people, new four people in our YouTube today. Welcome for those, for the new people that we have. So I will give it out, okay, Rumarte, in description down below, and I will tell you, okay, if I do. Sige. So, full win, Guaren. Oh, it's my first time seeing you here. First time mo ba dito, full win, in YouTube? Yeah. Welcome, welcome, huh? Okay. Uh, Oh, someone is in the house. What's up, Sazid? Kadu, Kadu. Hello, hello. How's how's your trades going on, Kadu? Been quite some time, yeah? And say so. God is good and TikTok. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for Unify, guys. That's one thing. By the way, if you got an entry all the way down in here, then you can adjust your own possible profit, possible loss. Lahat yan, you can adjust. Okay? Unify link. September day 556. Mm-hmm. So Cat was like, I'm back to trouble you after a break. Alright, come give your best then. Message me Kadu, okay? Just message me in Discord or anything. Right? We need to catch up soon. Okay? Di po ako first time, Lily. Hello, Lily. Grabe ang taga, Lily, since I've seen your, seen you here. Okay. Kadu, by the way, yeah, we have this new calculator. I'll be happy to share that with you. Okay. Just message me, Kadu. Sige. Stephen Factor, what's up, what's up, what's up? Yep. We also have JP Narag, yes. Okay, so going well, not been trading super regular, but doing okay. Growing slow but steady. That's the most important thing. You're growing. Doesn't matter if it's slow. As long as it's steady and the consistency, kumbaga, is there, you can sustain it. That grow, you know how, compound works. I know that yeah, it's gonna be big. Yes. All right. Carl. Yes, umabot ka pa, Carl. Mary Abad, free po ba? Yes, free. Okay, so SBF05 in TikTok, ma'am, pa-check po GRT. Sure, come, let's go open the GRT chart, okay? Let's see what's in it. GRT, USDT dot P, request chart, yan, and everything. Let's open the 4-hour. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So GRT, we have the resistance up in here. Yan. And lower time frame, the struggle is already there, but on the higher time frame, I don't think it's showing. Yeah, it's not showing yet. It's a daily, huh? But on the 4-hour, it's already there. Okay. But so miss, are we gonna have the reversal now? Not yet. I'm not saying that, but more of it's gonna hit all the way to the resistance zone right here. Why? We just broke the previous ito. Yeah, this is nothing now. Okay, I'm telling you that level is nothing now. So we just broke that. That's just gonna be a simple retest. So miss, can I take a long position right around that area? Absolutely, you can. You can trend trade it, kumbaga. That's what we call trend trading. And this is a very easy type of cycle. Can you guys see that? Everything is pretty visible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A. I don't think this is one. A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. 15 minutes, lower time frame. Let's check it out. Our Fibonacci, taking out the Fibonacci 0.382. Then we also have 1 in here. All right. Supply zone sitting right at this area. So we have 2 possible trade for you guys for today, ha? GRT. Stop loss would be wait, on stop loss, I would like to reassess that later. Okay, but the take profit, okay, we can aim till the high of that resistance zones that we plotted on the higher time frame. Then only when this happens, I'm gonna expect the higher time frame, the daily of the GRT will show weakness. Yun lang. So where are we right now? 15 minutes. 15 minutes, no weakness yet. Okay, so be patient with the entry, guys. This is not yet your entry. I'm telling that, okay, with everyone. 5 minutes, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Okay, so have patience. You can possibly hit all the way to the low of, this. Wait, I'll do another. Meron din dito, guys, isang demand zone right around that area. And currently it's happening. Can you see? It's moving down. So then only we can get, interested. So stop loss. Let me try to open my EMA. I have to assess everything right here. So I do not like 55, 55. Okay. Lower time frame. Let's open the 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour because I don't like the lower time frame na EMA. Okay, it doesn't suit well. 4 hours. 4, 5, 6. It's okay. 65? Or is it just a nature of GRT to be doing like this? Interesting. 2020, 2020. 55, 55, 200, 200, maximum 200. but I don't think this time that 200 is gonna have the support. All right, so we might have a full extension. Okay, that makes sense. So we might have a full extension right around here. So let me plot up our entry again. Okay, so September 20 entry SL tsaka TP. Okay, so entry is playing right around 0.008812 all the way till the low of, sorry, which is a 10, 8745. Yeah. So stop loss is sitting 0.8568. Yeah. So I'm writing everyone for I'm writing levels for everyone now. Please do not take this as as a free trade type of signal, but more of a learning thing. Whatever I discuss in here is for education purposes. It's up to you. It's your own risk how you trade it. If you don't know how to trade in YouTube, it's not gonna be my fault. No, it is not my fault. Okay, I only do this. You guys think that I'm trading without knowledge, diba? So do not do the advice. Yeah. Okay, so that's it with the GRT. Negative $2. Let's open our calculator and plot that in. Let's see if we have comments in the TikTok. No, YouTube. Okay. Joshua Otero, yes. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, says it about the calculator. As long as the function of the futures are the same with the Bybit or the max, okay? Especially with the margin, you only need the margin, that's the thing. So margin and then leverage, I think it will work. Yeah, they will have the same function. This is for the future market type of calculator. So yes, I think it will work. So just let me know. Okay, just let me know. That's it. All right. So guys, now we're having that we're having that move right now with the GRT. Saan na ba to? 0.0874 to 6.866, and then we have 2.0. Let's put it 1. No, that's gonna be a big difference. Okay, so let's say I want to risk 5% again right around this area, guys, so as you guys can see, down in there, we have the leverage and then the margin required sitting. So this much we can play when we enter this level. So possible or projected loss is $1 only by the 5%, and then projected profit is $3, guys. Okay, and so 2 trades for everyone tonight and live, and I guess that's more than enough for everyone to handle na. Yep. Okay, Ion. I will check. Sige. Alright, so I guess that's it for for tonight. Okay, our FOMC is gonna happen. Okay. Wednesday. US time. So let's just wait for it to, to have an opening. Tama pakiramdam ko, guys. Anyway, so I guess that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? I'm gonna be updating all of the charts in the Discord. So just make sure that you are in the Discord, ha? So for those who are in TikTok, my Discord, I have my Discord community right around here. And where can we find, Miss, the, what's the word for that? Yeah. Nakita natin yung Discord, ano? Um, Makita. Yan. Yan. So, I created a new channel for everyone. Okay. This is a general, you can access it. It's for free. I'm telling you guys, it's for free, ha. So, YouTube, trade updates, I'll be posting that in here. Yung dalawang trade natin, tsaka yung current trade that is going on. So, right here, guys, I also have my trading journal. Yeah. This one, ano to? Let me know if you want me, guys, to share this with you. This is my trading journal. I just opened it up earlier. So, just for an example. Okay. Alright, so that's it, guys. Take care. I'll see you around. Okay. And yeah, I'll see you in the Discord. So, okay. Bye, everyone.